Good morning children, welcome to class 2. Now I am your EVS teacher and I am going to teach you chapter number 3, that is my family. So you all live in a family. आप अपने मम्मी पापा के पास रहते हैं, वहाँ दादा दादी होते हैं, किसी के पास चाचा चाची भी होते हैं. हम सब मिल के रहते हैं, खेलते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं, पिकनिक जाते हैं, टीवीज मूवीज देखते हैं, बहुत सारे चीज़ करते हैं. आप मुझे बता सकते हैं हम जब बाहर जाते हैं हम दूसरे घर में क्यों नहीं रह पाते हैं, हम वापस फिर अपने घर क्यों आ जाते हैं? क्योंकि हमें अपने फैमिली के साथ अच्छी बॉन्डिंग होती है, हम अपने फैमिली के साथ रहना हमें अच्छा लगता है. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू द चैप्टर I am going to teach you about the three types of family. So number one is a nuclear family, which is a small family. The number two is a large family, and number three is a what we call as a joint family. So this is a nuclear family where both parents, that is mother, father, live with one or two children. It is a small family. Then we come to large family where grandparents, parents live with 3 or 4 children. Now I am going to tell you about a joint family. A family where grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousin live together is called as a joint family. So you have all now learnt about a nuclear family, large family and a joint family. So this much for today. Bye. See you tomorrow.